Let's find the perimeter and the area of a square with side of 1.5 meters. To start off, let's first draw a square. So we've drawn a square where we'll label each side of the square as 1.5 meters, 1.5 m. So each length of this side of the square, since it has 4 equal sides, will be 1.5 meters. Next, let's find the perimeter of this. The perimeter is where we're adding up all 4 sides. So the perimeter, which we'll label as P, will be 1.5 plus another 1.5 plus another 1.5 plus another 1.5. Now, we could add this up vertically, but we'll use a little reasoning to see if we can add it up quickly. 1.5 plus another 1.5 would be like $1.50 plus another $1.50. Whole plus a whole is 2, and 2 halves add up to another whole. So 1.5 and 1.5 add up to 3.0. Similarly, these two 1.5s also add up to 3.0, or 3. So 3 plus 3 would add up to a total of 6. That means that if we add up 1.5 meters 4 times, the total length of the square would be 6 meters, and that's our perimeter. For our second half, let's find the area, and we'll use the formula on the right for a rectangle, which works for a square, where we'll multiply length times width. We only need one length and one width in order to use this formula. So the length we'll label as 1.5, and the width we'll label as 1.5. So the formula, A equals L times W, plugging in L and W as 1.5, will be 1.5 multiplied by 1.5. Let's use long multiplication to find this answer. We'll do that in the lower right corner. To multiply 1.5 multiplied by 1.5, we'll first multiply 5 times 1.5, and then multiply 1 times 1.5 and add the column place values up. So to begin, 5 times 5 is 25, carry the 2, 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2 is 7. We'll write a 0 as a placeholder, and our second row would become 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 1 is 1. Adding our columns up, 5 plus 0 is 5, 7 plus 5 is 12, carry the 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Now since we have a total of 2 decimal places here, that means with an imaginary decimal point, we'll move it twice to the left to arrive at the decimal answer 2.25. That means our area, 1.5 times itself, works out to 2.25. And since we're dealing with meters, we would have a total area, the material on the inside, of 2.25 square meters, which is our answer for the area. That means, in summary, that going around the figure has a perimeter of 6 meters, adding up all the sides, and the material on the inside would have an area of 2.25 square meters. And that's our answer.